Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the operating system, so you use the right controls. Windows versus Mac OS behaves differently. Once done, visually identify which windows are snapped to left or right, and make sure your documents are saved. Now, drag the dividing edge slightly toward one window to resize. You're initiating the unsnap. That small push releases the snap state on most systems and prepares the desktop for the next action without closing programs. Next, remove the split by using OS controls. On Windows, you can drag a window away from the edge or press Windows key plus left/right arrow to cycle off the snap. This changes the Windows docking state. On Mac OS, click the green traffic light for full screen or hold option and click to toggle. Mission Control also lets you rearrange and unsnap. Make sure to move the other window or resize it so the desktop returns to a single, normal layout. Finally, finalize by maximizing or manually resizing the remaining window so it fills the screen as you want. That completes the removal. If the split persists, restart the computer or update display drivers because driver glitches can lock window states. If a shortcut helps, use Windows key with up arrow to maximize or Mac OS's full screen toggle. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot into safe mode and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.